We love the GemLightbox. We would just take it with our phones before, which were kind of blurry. This brings it closer up and more crisp. And so we're really enjoying it. Our customers are loving it for our social media.
It's helped a lot with our sales when our customers can't come in to see us in person. We can actually send them videos and pictures from all the angles, and it's point and shoot. It just takes it right away, and we're so excited about the new camera and the autofocus and all the AI.
I think it is the most amazing product. Working in social media, I see a lot of photographs and videos and content overall, and a lot of people have a lot of difficulty getting, quality content. But using this product, I have seen it make people's lives so much easier. It's so simple to use. I mean, really anyone can pick it up and learn it probably within 5 minutes.